All right, I really wasn't going to do another video today. This is Bob Rutledge with PPC Equalizer. But I got to show you this on Airtable because I just love Airtable. And I'm going to show you how to generate latitude and longitude and then map it to a URL, be able to click a button. And I'm probably not going to show you this today, but I will show you what can be done with it at the very end. You can take the latitude and longitude, run it through Airtable and then into Softer, and then get it to fill out a Google map like that. And so when you click on the map, it's interactive. It shows you where the addresses are, things like that. So that's the ultimate use of this data, but let's see if we can get it to work. Now I've got latitude, longitude, and map it. I'm going to go in here and add, if it's not already added, let me just go ahead and open it. It's called the Geocode and Airtable Mapper, and I'm going to use convert addresses to coordinates. Because the nice thing about it now in Airtable will map out everything that I just showed you, but it's not a map you can embed on a website without giving people access to the data. I've done it before, but if you embed it on a website, like I embed it. Well, I'll go to another one. So like I went to let's go Wolf Landscape Lawn. Let's go down on, I think I've got an embed on here. I took it off, but I need to put it back. Put it on micro record. Let's go there, go here. If you scroll down, you will see that there is a map that shows everything, every type of work he does and the areas he does it in. And so like it's interactive in that you can click and scroll into it this way, but you can also, let me hit refresh on it so it'll scroll back out. You can also, or at least your customers can, also click on outlets and switches, transfer switches, low voltage lighting, and so it shows different jobs and where he's done them. Does that make sense? Really, the goal of this, in this particular case, is to keep the client on the website or the potential customer on the website. The longer, if you know anything about local search engine optimization, the longer people spend on websites, the better it is for your ranking. And that includes all types of ranking, not just your SERPs, but in your maps. Anything you can do to improve rankings is going to always help make the phone ring. So let's go back to the task at hand. Pick a field. I've got to find the address, full address. And I'm going to hit, and I've already picked lat and lon as the places that it's got to fill in. So we're going to hit start and see what it does. So there you go. You can see the latitude and longitude filling in right there. So let me scroll down. It's already done it. It's already done 40 something of them. That's pretty cool. Now I can take that and map it. I don't know why it didn't map all these places. Let me edit that fill and see. I need to write a formula for that. I'll go back and do that after this. But when you click on that, or when you click on the button, you'll see that it opens up where the house is. I think it's pretty cool. And so whatever kind of business you've got, it should be helpful in locating where the work was done. I've always thought that if you were ever going to try to sell your business, or if you're going to split territories up, things like that, it will help with that. So, I wanted you to see that, and it's done using Airtable. It's done using an extension, and then the ultimate goal is to feed it through to Softer or on the website itself. And where the data comes from is either you have to go in and load the address of your clients in. In this particular case, this gentleman, on their website, we have a form, and people fill out the form, and it includes their address. Now, the form, it's just to go into a little more detail about the form, and this is the forms company. It's something worth checking out. It's called Fill Out. And they have a button on there that you can also hit coordinates. So, like if you wanted to verify the work that your subcontractors have done or that your field employees are doing, you can put the form on their phone, and they take a picture of the work, they hit the coordinates, and it automatically fills in. And that'll be a video for another day, because that's a pretty cool. There are people that offer that service out there, but and I certainly do to my customers, but I'm just saying you can build that form yourself using Fill Out, and I get no paid endorsement for talking about them. Hope this has been helpful to you, and it's my goal to help small businesses like yours make a profit, and in particular with pay-per-click. This video was not about pay-per-click, but was about some of the tools that I use when I'm building out my business for my clients. Thanks for listening in.